What's up, everyone? What's up? How you doing? What's up? This is the Tech Talk with Tech Denward. This is you truly, Tech Denward. How y'all doing this Sunday night? How everyone doing? I had to watch a couple football game. Cowboys, yes, go Cowboys. Cowboys won again. Cowboys beat Giants. They playing a good game. They have a good season now. They are 4-1. Picking up my Cowboy jersey right here and rooting for the Dallas Cowboys. Okay, now let's hit to the topic now. We all talk about technology. Y'all, for my new user who first see my live stream, might want to say, why should I listen to this guy? What this guy got about technology? What is opinion? Why should I take opinion for this guy? Why take advice about this guy, about tech solutions? Let me give you a little bit of history of myself. I've been training and working with IT all my adult life in school. I do training in IT and information technology. I have a social degree in information system analysis. I have studied programming. I have studied all the different kind of operating systems. I did database design, I did web design, I did security. Then on the business end, I did some accounting and some business management on that key, and I also did programming. And then a little bit after that, I decided to pursue my Bachelor of Science degree in information technology. That's curriculum is a particular in-depth curriculum, both technology and the business aspect of it. I did also did program, website design, I did server design, I did management, data management, cybersecurity, project manager. I did couple of projects as a project manager. I did a couple of that roles. The business end, I did business management, I did accounting, I did finance. Okay, what the topic today? I think topic I have bring it from my streaming is very important. It's every day. Everyone talking about the dark web. What is the dark web? My topic is where I really hold to what is the dark web, how to protect yourself from the dark web and your data. And that was the topic is for today is the dark web. Give you a little illustration right here. I'm going to bring it up here. I have a little bit of slideshow here. I'm going to bring that up and find out what is the dark web and how to protect yourself and your data from getting you that information on the dark web. Okay, I'm going to bring that screen right there down here. Okay, I'm going to do a few slides. Okay, right here, yeah. Okay, now, what is the dark web? Dark web is hidden sites that can be found through conventional browser. You have a special browser, not the browser you use for do research or Google. You have to have a special browser to get on the dark web, and that holds so many information from photographic material, social security information from all the different accounts. They are where you think they are in the dark web. Sites that uses encryption. What they do, it's hidden. It's people who's on that site, criminals, or who's on that site. They are known to be hidden. They use encryption software to who visit the site to remain anonymous. That's sometimes they use the virtual private network, and they don't want nobody to know they're on that particular site. But that is what is the dark web. I know everyone wonders, what is the dark web? Why is it that? What is the dark web? What's the purpose of the dark web? I hear all the time say, what is the dark web? But that is hidden sites of hidden sites of the dark web. And you cannot log into the dark web through your web browser. They have a special browser for somebody who wants into that dark web. But most of the software is encryption for visitors who go on there. They want to remain themselves anonymous Nobody knows who they are, person who's they are. Okay, my next slide is right here. Bring this slide here. Okay. Now, how to keep your data protected from the dark web? Number one is to limit your limit your footprint, or reduce your limit number of accounts juggling into your to the web. You have to eliminate your accounts into the web. You have bank accounts, but you must reduce the number of accounts you juggle on the web, and that's to limit your. As the more you have accounts, especially with important data on the web, the more you are prone to get information stolen from the dark web, and they sell that data information and numbers, social security. They sell that on the dark web. Number two, watch out of call scammers. You're at the gas station, there's a point of sales, especially for the unmanned ones, such as the gas station. You have to watch out for call scammers. Number three, beware of phishing messages. I have explained in one of my older streams. If you have information like they want this fishing for information when you're asked information. A little example I can tell you is what I have experienced myself. I got an email from Amazon. They say I have ordered a particular item. I didn't order a particular item from Amazon, and I had checked back on my Amazon account on the person's history. I have anything. They told me somebody from another state had purchased a laptop or a smartphone, something like that, and they need my information to clear it out and anything. I told them, no. I said, no. It's on your end. That's another form of phishing. They want you to give their information. It might be urgent. It might be something just frightening you and getting you scared, and you just give them the information, the customer numbers or credit card numbers, or you want them to take over your computer system. That's another form. Beware of phishing measures. Another form is number 4 is protect yourself for credential stuffing. Stuffing is cyber attack in which a criminal used stolen username and password from your organization to breach or purchase of the dark web. That's one. If you want to know what a credential stuffing is using as an attack. By stuffing, by using your password or your username. As one of my, I had one of the streaming about password. Don't use 1, 2, 3 for your password. Make your password. Don't use password based on your kids or your relative or your sister name, your brother name, or anything. Make it unique. And I think one of the particular, I think is password manager. Yes, this password manager had used. That's one of the known software that really asks you to set up a password. Really unique password combination of uppercase, lowercase letter with numbers and numeric numbers and everything. And that's password manager that will help you set up a password. That's most make it unique, not a common one, but they can really hack and take that information out of that right there. Okay, I'm gonna do a little Q&A. We'll have anything ask me about the dark web, what the aspect of the dark web is. If you have any question, I'm gonna set up this chat. I'm also surfing. I'm also doing streaming on Facebook and YouTube. I'm both having chat rooms. I'm setting them chat rooms up right now. I'm gonna set them up right now for YouTube and Facebook. Yes. Is the dark web illegal? If you can go on it, if it's illegal to go on it, it's not illegal to go on the dark web. But if you do an act on it, or anything you do act on it, that's illegal. Once you do something on there, the action on it, that's illegal. But going on the dark web, it's not illegal to go on the dark web. But if you actually do an act or do something on there, download a pornographic material or child pornographic material, or take a social security number if it's not yours or from somebody else, that's illegal. That's you breaking the law. Okay, well, I'm gonna set this up here. I'm gonna get this over here, put it here. Okay. Download here, get back here. Okay. Now I'm setting up for I'm gonna set the chat room up for any additional more questions. Okay. Who created the dark web? Okay. Surprisingly, it was United States government who created the dark web. It was created for the dark web. The government did this to allow spies to communicate with each other anonymously. So it was created. It was created by the government. It was created by the United States government, the dark web, but they made it for good, but you know what's happened to the internet and everything like that. But it was the dark web was created by the government. When was the dark web created? The dark web created was many cities of March 20, 2000. The dark web was created. That was the birthplace of the dark web. March 2020, 2000, that's when it was created. Who is sold on the dark web? You know, you have many information from who's dark web. That's one of the questions. Very interesting story, learning the history. I just did some research of the dark web and learned what's the history of the dark web. How you can access the dark web? Yes, you can. They have a special browser, not the browser we have, a Google browser. They have a special browser that actually have access to the dark web. For my question, if I actually got cyber attack or any of my information was got on the dark web, did I ever visit the dark web? No, I've never been on the dark web. I never have visited the dark web, but I pretty sure I have Norton antivirus program. I have some other particular protection for data. I have particular. One thing about it, you have a good antivirus program, or you see it advertised on TV for a cyber attack. It's a cyber insurance you purchase. It protect your data. If something happened in there, if somebody compromise your data, you'll get a notice by text. That's another form of cyber insurance. You can get a cyber company have their own personal cyber insurance, but for the user like us, like me and you can purchase a cyber security insurance, identity theft. They call it identity theft insurance. You can purchase identity theft insurance. I have that myself, anything about my data because you want to protect yourself. You don't want nobody to mess up your credit, mess up your jeopardy and all that there. Or open an account in your name and I will always purchase identity theft insurance. Okay, I think that's it. That's it for the Q&A. We did like a 20 minutes Q&A on sorry, but I will continue on that particular topic. That's most of the topic that dear to me is cybersecurity, the aspect of cybersecurity, how to protect the users because we're dealing with older people or younger people. Most of they're threatening to the younger people, older people. We don't know about security and they are vulnerable. Always help somebody who's not so computer educated and really know about computers and how to protect yourself and help them. I have a donation I have sent out here just to help my cause, to bring a new equipment and help out. I'm going to post the link on the chat room and this will particularly help out my cause. Get equipment, work on education, more people, go on streams, social media sites, and preaching the good word of technology and solving everybody's problem, software problem, or solution of technology. But myself, I'm a software engineer, but I do technology and all my callings to help people to educate them in technology and then help them in the technology because what you don't know will hurt you. That was the big thing. What you don't know will hurt you. Well, I'm gonna take a little break. You see the little ocean view here. I also do a little picture taking too. That's one of my hobbies. But yeah, it was a wild day at the beach. See the surfer. I don't know how it's very rough. The ocean was very rough. Yeah, I did a little photography there. You see the ocean here. Ocean was rough. Yeah, it was sky flying. Yeah, it was parasailing. They call it parasailing. You see the ocean is. Boy, yeah, it's really rough out there in that ocean. But I'm an ocean person. I love the ocean, but I also love to take pictures of the ocean. And one of my questions we can do with what content you would like to see on my streaming video. I got plenty of content. Beach scene. I got the beach scene. Somebody wants to say they want to actually see the ocean. I say okay. I'm gonna post the ocean view on it rather than posting the reggae music on the Bahamas. Posting the ocean view. The ocean was very rough. You see it right out there. One person out there doing parasailing. Bless his soul. He or she, I don't know who was on there, out there, but they out there in the ocean. The ocean is really rough. 1 minute, ocean be calm, and then the other minute it's gonna be very rough. Deep swell out the ocean out there. See that person, the ocean having back and forth in the ocean, like a lion, rearing lion out there. That ocean. Okay, everyone, I want to thank everyone who visited my live stream, Tech Talk with Tech Denmore. Wish everyone to have a good night. You take care and ready for the next day, Monday morning. You take care.